Hi, it's Evelyn. Thanks so much for tuning in to my channel today. I truly do appreciate it. If this is your first time watching, I would greatly appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel. Now I am back with this part 2 of my video. About a week ago, I shared with you my new process for infusing my extra strength nettle hair growth oil as well as my pure nettle oil. Share with you how I strain my oils as well as how I capture the remaining oils from my herbs. I use a coffee strainer, so I'm going to place it on top of the jar here, and I am going to get started. Okay, the next step to my infused oil, all of the remaining herbs, what I do to capture as much oil as possible, I pour the remaining herbs into a large jar. So as you can see here, what I do, as I said, I pour the remaining herbs into another large jar, mason jar, and over a couple of days, the oil strains from the herbs and I can capture all of that oil. As you can see here, the oil has filled up all the way here to the middle, almost full. So what I do, every couple of days, I remove the herbs that are fully dry because the oils strain down into the jar. This is a nut milk bag that I use to strain my oils from the herbs, and now I'm going to show you how I capture the oil from the strained herbs. I hope you enjoyed my video sharing with you how I infuse my oils, strain my oils, and capture as much oil as possible from the herbs. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.